Your thermometer is the home version of the professional temporal scanner used in thousands of hospitals and doctors' offices, and is used the same way as doctors and nurses use the professional model. As a technologically advanced instrument, it must be used correctly. Please follow the user manual carefully. Your thermometer comes complete with a 9-volt battery already installed for your convenience. If your LCD screen shows a blinking battery in the bottom right-hand corner, then your battery's charge is low and should be changed. To change the battery, face the back of the thermometer towards you and then turn it upside down. Place your thumb on the ridges on the battery door. Press your thumb down firmly and slide the cover up. Turn the thermometer right side up. Remove the old 9-volt battery and replace with a new one with the positive, small terminal on the right. Slide the battery cover back into place. If you have further questions, call Exergen at 617-923-9900, extension 6234, or email sorluk@exergen.com.